What's up everybody, my name's Luke Martin. I'm a Canadian YouTuber, traveler, and seafood lover. And today I'm making a video about the top 5 Taiwanese seafoods. There is an abundance of seafoods available here in Taiwan, fresh and delicious with a wide variety. So I'm going to be taking you around the seafood market here to show you my top 5 favorite seafoods to try in Taiwan. Make sure if you haven't already to subscribe to Taiwan Plus's YouTube channel. Let's go eat some seafood. Number 2 on the top 5 seafoods in Taiwan, fish. Probably the most typical of them all. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of different species of fish here in Taiwan and hundreds of different ways to prepare and enjoy a fresh fish. But one unique way here in Taiwan is fish balls. So I'm gonna go try fish ball soup. To make a fish ball, you need the fish paste. So it's basically just a mashed down fish, and then you're able to mix it with all kinds of different ingredients. You can have them fried, or like at this place, have it in a soup. So they've mixed the fish paste to make these balls with different fillings. I can't tell you what's inside of all of them, but I can tell you that they look delicious, and it's served in this nice broth here. So let me go in for this one right here. A little bit golden color to it. It's very bouncy, or as they say here in Taiwan, QQ. It's really got that kind of resistance to it when you chew on it. The soup that it's served in is just a simple fish broth with some green onions and a nice fresh seafood flavor to it. I think that one doesn't have anything special inside, so let me go in for one more. I can see this one looks like there's been some green onions placed inside of that fish paste when they made the fish ball. Let's try it. That is super satisfying too.